Ryko Manufacturing Company, industry leader in innovative vehicle cleaning equipment, has done it again. Introducing the Monarch 2 HI, or High Impact, the new revolutionary touch-free vehicle wash system. Customers who use a car wash are not paying just to get their car wet. They want to get their car clean. The Monarch 2 HI uses a revolutionary pumping system that delivers a greater force of water to the surface of the vehicle. This demonstration visually shows the difference between Ryko's new high-impact spray and the current industry standard high-pressure sprays. At 18 inches away from the plates, the high-pressure spray at 1000 psi moves the arrow slightly forward to demonstrate the impact at the surface of a vehicle. Any further than 18 inches away, and the force on the vehicle is greatly diminished because the water begins to atomize or mist, leaving the vehicle wet but not clean. The yellow arrow on the right shows Ryko's new technology using a low-pressure pump and a larger volume of water. The arrow is moved much further forward, demonstrating that Ryko's unique way of combining water and pressure delivers a much greater impact to the surface of the vehicle, which means a cleaner car. This impact is not diminished when moved away from the vehicle, as it is with the current high-pressure units. Only Ryko uses this technology. This visual demonstration makes it evident that Ryko's new high-impact concept clearly provides the best quality wash, far superior to that of high-pressure units. Over 200 people have participated in this demonstration during visits to the Ryko factory and have seen and felt the high-impact difference. The Ryko Monarch 2 High Impact delivers one of the fastest touch-free washes in the industry because increased throughput means increased profits. A rich layer of foam bath is quickly and efficiently applied with an internally mounted manifold completely coating the entire vehicle surface. This method allows additional soaking time while greatly reducing overall wash time. To give a more thorough wash, the pre-soak detergent foam bath loosens the dirt and road grime which has collected on the vehicle surface. As a result of delivering higher impact to each vehicle surface, it is possible for the Monarch 2 HI to move along the vehicle surface more rapidly, thus further minimizing wash times and eliminating the need for double and triple washing of vehicles, as is required by many competitive systems. The high-impact wash cycle removes dirt and grime from all sides of the vehicle by utilizing the unique robotic pivoting wash manifold. Containing high-impact nozzles, its spray encompasses the entire vehicle, washing the top, sides, front, and rear as it passes around the car. Non-contact ultrasonic sensors use sound waves to determine the correct positioning of the wash arm for a superior quality wash. These sophisticated ultrasonic sensors accurately locate the wash spray arm to obtain a 15 to 18-inch clearance from the sides of the vehicle throughout all stages of the wash cycle. This method delivers the most thorough touch-free wash available. No part of the machine comes in contact with the vehicle. The Monarch 2 HI gets its impact from a revolutionary longer life pump that requires less maintenance and ensures greater reliability for the entire pressure system. The pump provides water flow and pressure without the vibration and pulsation of traditional pumps and is direct coupled, so no belts or sheaves are required. The Monarch 2 HI is dependable. Improved safety features include internationally accepted touch-safe control circuitry. The heart of Ryko's Monarch 2 HI is a PLC that contains a revolutionary computer diagnostic system previously unseen in the vehicle wash industry. This system will dramatically decrease downtime and increase profits. When a fault occurs, a 2-digit code is displayed. The owner can refer to a convenient reference chart to determine the action needed to correct the fault. This can oftentimes save the operator time and money by not having to make a service call. If a service technician is needed, more efficient service will be provided because the code will tell the technician what is required to effectively and efficiently correct the problem. The motoring public of today is placing a greater value on vehicle wash services and is willing to pay for them. Let's take a look at all the profit-making options available on the Monarch 2 High Impact. The optional rocker panel blaster directs concentrated jets of water at one of the hardest areas of the car to clean. It uses one large spray nozzle per side for improved coverage with no time-consuming nozzle adjustments. This is one of the most requested and profitable options available. The optional wheel blaster electronically locates each set of wheels and oscillates, completely cleaning the tire area and wheel wells. With the optional tire chemical spray system, the tires are automatically soaked with a tire chemical solvent designed to loosen the dirt and brighten the white walls as the vehicle drives into the bay. The optional hot or cold wax works in conjunction with the dry cycle to provide the ultimate finishing touch to a quality vehicle cleaning. After the rinse cycle that washes away all detergent and dirt trapped in the foam, a layer of wax is applied to the vehicle, preparing it for the dry cycle. For the perfect finishing touch, the optional machine-mounted dryers offer the most efficient dry of this type available today. The Monarch 2 HI slowly moves back and forth over the vehicle as the dryers oscillate, removing rinse water from the surface of the car. For the ultimate car wash operation, the Thrust Pro freestanding dryer is the perfect revenue-generating option to complement the Monarch 2 HI because it promotes maximum vehicle throughput. The truly unique Thrust Pro is unmatched in the industry for overall drying quality and is also one of the quietest air dryers available today. The last ingredient to a full-service, profitable vehicle wash program is the industry's most innovative car wash activation system. Ryko's patented CodaWash 4 is a computerized car wash accounting and merchandising system that promotes car wash flexibility, accountability, and profitability from one convenient point-of-sale location. With the CodaWash 4, the customer receives a printed code and proceeds to any one of Ryko's freestanding multiple input activation systems that are easy to understand and operate. They work as a secondary point-of-sale location by asking your customers if they would like an upgrade before they enter the wash. Other available options include undercarriage wash, backlit image sign, frost protection, and the Environmentalist 2 water reclamation system. The Ryko Monarch 2 High Impact is a fast, reliable, and thorough vehicle wash system. Let a Ryko sales representative show you how the flexible programming of the Monarch 2 HI will allow you to establish your own custom wash cycles to meet your location's unique needs. As with all its products, service never ends with the sale, it just begins. Ryko stands behind its Monarch 2 HI vehicle wash system with the support of the industry's largest and most professionally trained national service network. Each technician is factory trained in all areas of service, from on-site installation to coordinating any one of Ryko's comprehensive preventative maintenance programs. Additionally, a full-time factory-based customer service staff is just a phone call away from lending professional technical assistance. Ryko Manufacturing Company is committed to the world-recognized ISO 9000 quality system standards. Ryko, a global leader through innovation and dedication. For more information on the Ryko Monarch 2 High Impact, a technological breakthrough in touch-free vehicle cleaning, contact your local Ryko representative or call 515-986-3700.